This is an edge brush, right? But this edge brush has this applicator-like tip that you can use when you're applying your adhesives and smooth it in. Very good. Very good, I like this. An edge scarf for when you go to sleep, and I'm gonna tell you what, I never use it. I never use edge scarves. When I go to sleep, if I'm still wearing the wig, I just put a bonnet on and keep it moving. We got ourselves a rat tail comb, can't have too many of these. HD wig cap, satin dust bag to store your wig after you remove her. And here's the wig. All right, 22 inches long. Let's see what we got, ladies. She was all bundled up in her nice little cocoon, but here is the texture. Oh, she is moisturized, y'all. Okay. Okay, see, look. You see that? You can tell she's moisturized. Oh, yes. The waves are waving. This is a wear and go. Okay. Lazy girls, listen. Come here. This is for you. Okay. This is for you. It's gonna change your life. Okay, back up. Back up. These wigs have spoiled me something terrible. There is no glue necessary. There's no adhesives necessary. Cause you know I got about 5,000 different ways to attach a wig on my head. In these drawers, between these drawers and these cabinets, I got what you need, okay? Whatever you're looking for, I might have the supply. I don't need anything with this, all right? So I just plop this on my head. You don't have to do the ball cap method. This drawstring is what's going to do the work of all those adhesives. You don't have to worry about it being too tight on your head because it is adjustable. If it's a little too tight, you just loosen the back, but you don't have to worry about it slipping off your head. You don't have to worry about your wig coming back unless somebody is yanking on you, and you don't need to be around somebody that's doing that anyway, because why are you trying to use it? And these are removable, and it's strong Velcro. You really got to pull this to take it off. It's not going to come off accidentally. That was something that I was worried about, like why Velcro, because it gets caught. Are people going to hear this? But no, this is very strong Velcro, and it takes quite a bit of force to rip it off. The hairline has already been cut. It's got the scalloped edge, and I believe this is 9 by 6 inches of parting space, so you can do all the hairstyles you like. There is a portion above the ears that's already been cut out, and it's lined in like a cloth material, so it's comfortable, and you don't have to worry about your ears being all folded up in some funky shape or something under your wig about to give you a headache. Are pre-plucked, and they come pre-bleached caps. These caps, they make life so much easier. So I got my bonnet on underneath. It's just an HD cap, and I done tucked my hair underneath, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how easy this is to install. Seriously, seconds.
Count up 100 like calisthenics. Talking about a bag, you got bad credit. New MX, we don't use debit. Calling, brand new deals, keep calling. Tell them bring them through, need all them. For a whole kid still ballin'.
That's it. She's on. So I've engaged the back comb, and now I'm just going to pull on this drawstring to tighten it, and that is what's going to make this wig super secure on my head. You see I got the drawstring right there. Then usually what I do is I take the drawstring and I kind of tuck it underneath the wig. So see? I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what it's looking like in the back. So without any foundation or any sprays to have this melt into my hairline, this is what it looks like just fresh out of the pack, putting it on. So of course I'm going to probably use a little bit of foaming mousse to style how I want my hairline to look. Since this is a wavy wig, I'm probably gonna keep it a middle part, but I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like and what the pre-bleached and I cannot talk! What the pre-bleached and pre-plucked knots look like. Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody needs that one errand wig where you can just throw it on and leave the house. And when you really don't really care about what you look like, you just put it on. It's probably backwards and sideways. Me out here looking like 𝐂𝐇𝐄𝐈𝐿. But now your errand wig can look like this because it takes 20 seconds to put on. Girl, go with your man. Meet him at the grocery store. Not that we're looking for a man, okay? Let's start there. So to get rid of this kind of overcast, I'm going to use a little bit of my favorite, which is Aussie Moist Mousse. And then I'm gonna put on my wig band, and I'm gonna let that marinate, and I'll be right back.
When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya, see ya, see ya. Be gone.
it sit for like 15 minutes and then it's gonna get all melty and you guys are gonna see what it looks like when I come back. But before I do that, I want to show you guys the hair now that I'm actually playing with it and you guys can see this gorgeous wave pattern. Look how pretty that is. And it, see, look, doesn't it look like I sprayed something or put some product in here? This is all shiny and it's got some weight to it because it's got moisture in it. Y'all, Bella made me this necklace and it is so cute. I love it. Fashion. All right, it's been long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So that's a quick little trick to get rid of the halo effect on these HD lace wigs without using any foundation or any spray or anything like that. Anyway, girl, this is the final look. Well, hold on. Let me go ahead and get changed and then I'll stand up so you guys can see the full length of the wig. So here is what the hair is looking like after I done messed it all up. I was planning it like I usually do and I was separating the wave pattern just to see what I would get. But now I've messed up the wave pattern, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate that with my wands, and I will go ahead and put these waves back in, maybe add a slight curl to the very bottom, we'll see. So let me put this curling iron to use and I'll be right back. But this is what she looks like with no styling.
Sing along to my stereo.
Alright, so we're all done curling it all up. Listen, y'all saw how it looked when I first put it on. It's gonna look the same except just a little bit more polished because I did mess up some of that wave. So I'm going to gently break the cast. I just sprayed some glosser. I'm being very gentle because I really don't want to mess up these curls twice in one video. Actually, I'm afraid to use this. I was trying to find my pick. Every morning that girl comes in my bathroom to get herself ready for school. And every morning something is missing. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. This is the final look. Look at the back. Super quick, super easy. Plop it on your head, pull that drawstring in the back, and go run your errands. 100% glueless. You don't have to worry about using any adhesives. Plop it on and go. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. Like always, I will put all the information about this Wear and Go Glueless in the description box. If you have any questions for me, put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, WowAfrican. Thank you guys for watching.